Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do something super exciting. We are visiting a technology company, Fuxing, named in Shenzhen city, China. Here's one of my guests, my friend Jackson. He's our guide to visit this factory.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shenzhen Fuxing Industrial Company. I will show you everything in our factory.
Nice to meet you here, Jackson.
Nice to meet you too.
Now, where to start?
Okay,
Let's show us.
Let's go to our assembly line and bone wiring line. 来参观一下。Yeah, this way, please.
This way?
Yes.
Okay.
This is our material warehouse.
These are the raw materials warehouse. The materials collecting from here and to go to production center.
And the packages.
And packages like this. So let's go to the next step.
Next one is the production line.
What's here?
Assembly line.
Assembly line.
Assembly line, yes.
Very good. Here, this line is assembling components and gadgets. And here they are producing karaoke and speakers, Bluetooth speakers.
Yes, bigger production line. And this is bonding wire.
Here is bonding wire.
Bonding wire, yes.
They are bonding the wires and connectors.
Yes. This way. And the next is the laser logo device.
Very interesting. How many pieces every day is producing here?
About 10,000 to 15,000 pieces.
Amazing, it's so busy.
This is our laser logo machine. Yes.
Here the logo is just
the OEM logo.
Very
We
good.
can make customers logo, yes.
This is the laser logo machine, and just they do customization on your products which you need in bulk orders.
This is our ready stock warehouse.
Here is finished product warehouse, and the products producing there and stacking here. And these are ready products, and all of you checked as quality, and everyone is in, new, just packing and going to sell. Let's go to the next.
This is our testing office.
This is the place that products finished from producing comes here, and all products tested before shipping. They just checking the quality here, and from this goods going to the finished warehouse. So let's go to check some of the products of this factory. This gadget is very cool. I liked it very much. There is a wireless charging, TF card reader, SD card reader, Type-C PD charger, USB connector, Gen 3 and HDMI, also another USB Type-C. Let's go and test this, how it's working. Thank you. So we just connected the HDMI cable.
Yes.
And a PD charger cable, and a USB connector, also a TF card drive. Okay.
For this one, is just one by one is the SD card and the TF card.
And for this one, we need to just use SD cartridges one by one. And waiting for. And two USB lights is working very well. and we are waiting for screen. Yes, that's it. And there is a wireless charger. It's charging 15 watts wireless charging. You can use this gadget on your desk very well. It's okay. Charging. You can put it again. Nice. It's charging. All in one gadget. Very good. Here we are testing some of the products of this company. Let's go.
For this one, it's 15 in one hub. So
This hub just have 15 functions in one place.
Yes. For first point is PD.
The first port has support PD charger and Type-C cable. Now it's charging MacBook Pro very well. Let's see.
And the second point is HDMI point, 4K HDMI.
The second port is HDMI. So we attached.
And this one is VGA point.
And the third function is VGA port. Now we just connected 2 screen more, and we have 3 screen.
Yes. And for this one is audio point.
And we have AUX audio point.
Yes.
That's the sound.
You can.
So now we have earbuds here, and it's working very well. Amazing. So maybe you can hear the sound. Okay, next.
For next, this 2 point is Type-C data.
So we have 2 port Type-C data port.
Yes,
And
and
we
we
can-
have the 5 USB.
We have 5 USB ports. 3
Yes.
of them is USB Gen 3 and 2 of them is Gen 2.
Yes.
And we also have here SD card reader and micro SD card or TF card, like this. Okay, please test it. Yes, we got both. You can see the both drives. We put just the 2 SD cards, and here. Yeah, it's working very well, very good quality, and it's ready to shipment. With your own customization, we can order for you. Here we have another USB hub, 8 function in one, and let's test it. Here we are.
This one is PD point.
We have a PD point there.
Yes, and HDMI point.
And HDMI point.
And we also have the 3 USB points.
3 USB 3 points.
Yes.
Gen 3. And also SD card. And also TF card readers.
Yes. But for this one, SD card and the TF card cannot seamlessly read.
In the same time.
Yes.
It needs to be one by one.
Yes.
Oh, okay, I understand. But very good. And there is a LAN port too. We have. Very good. We just tested that USB hub 10-in-1 function and everything is working. Just we have one SD card drive and sharing 3 screen, VGA, HDMI, and everything is just showing very well and sharing. Also we have earbuds connected to there and USB Type-C PD charger, fast charging. And also we have LAN cable here, LAN connector if you need to use wire Ethernet. So if you need such products, please contact me. Factories like this, that's why I love helping businesses source directly from China. So with Jackson helps and my experience, I'm sure you will get the best price and the best quality from China. If you are a business owner or wholesaler and you want to import goods directly from China, you can contact us anytime. We will give you the best services. So today we just finished our factory tour. I glad to hear. Thank you, Jackson, for your invitation. And it is our video's ending. So goodbye. See you next video.
Thank you. Bye bye. See you.